have been waiting for. Look at this, man.
Oh, no. I can put Gideon boot and talking suit.
Okay.
Yeah, because I'm a rapper.
You are a rapper.
Rap. I know. Never said rap. Right.
Oh, what comes to your mind when you hear the word Jamaica? So guys, welcome to another vlog. My name is Claudia Walks for those who are new here, and I know guys you have been enjoying my videos, and guess what, today I've got a mic. For those who have been complaining about my voice, I know you are sorted now. So guys, if you're watching for the first time, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we make sure you become a Claudia Walks team. So don't go anywhere. I hope you will enjoy this video, and I'm coming live from these beautiful streets of Italy. And I'm coming live from the uptown, where the rich people stay. And guys, sorry for that. And guys, I just want to know if people from these beautiful streets know about Jamaica. So guys, let's get into the streets, and I hope you will enjoy the video. Look at these beautiful apartments here, guys. Coming live from Italy. So guys, bear in mind that this is the rich side of Italy, and and remember, I know you have been seeing myself on Road 50. What comes to your mind when you hear the word Jamaica? How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
Hey, I'm fine, thank you.
What's the matter with this one?
Oh, we are just having fun in this beautiful street. My name is Claudia Walks from YouTube.
Oh, YouTube. Yeah, this is very smart place. It's
Yeah, I love it. It's very smart.
Oh.
Okay, what comes into your mind when you hear the word Jamaica?
Jamaica?
Yes.
Jamaica. Which problem?
Nini unajua kuhusu Jamaica?
Jamaica mimi napenda sana sababu wanatukibizi pia. Kununua kitu kama hiyo inaitwa marijuana bangi. Hiyo bangi unaweza vuta na wale wengine wanakuwa wanavutaga, maindi yao inakuwa inatulia. Na wale wengine wanakuwa wanatumia ina overtake kama pombe. Lakini nikiangalia kwa maindi yangu, marijuana is the best sababu inatibu ugonjwa mingi.
Inatibu ugonjwa
kama cancer.
Okay, this guy is trying to say that marijuana from Jamaica is good. It cures a lot of diseases like cancer, stress, man.
Kama hizo. Huwezi kusana na bibi, huwezi mpiga, si kama pombe. Tunalala kwa barabara. Ukivuta ile marijuana ni unaenda una relax, man. Unatulia. Lakini kama ni pombe inaweza fanya uanguke kwa barabara, ugongatana gari ama ulale kwa mtaro. That is very different in marijuana.
So you love Jamaica because
I like it marijuana.
Oh, thank you so much.
Very nice.
Very nice. Talk about Jamaican ladies.
Jamaican ladies is very special ladies. Wako na heshima, wanajua kujimaintain. Umenipata?
Jamaican ladies are so respectful. They know
very good country that one. Mademo huko wanakuwa wazuri sana.
Have you been into Jamaica?
Sijawahi fika.
And if given a chance to marry from Jamaica, will you marry from Jamaica?
Yeah, naweza.
Unaweza?
Kwanza ikizidi sana katika malife yangu nilikuwa nimepiga mahesabu, nikiweza kufanya kazi nikuje nipate sponsor, aniambie kuna shughuli huko,
unaweza enda. Okay, what can you tell someone who is trying to watch from Jamaica and is true fan of Claudia Walks?
Napenda hiyo country.
Unapenda hiyo country?
Napenda hiyo country. Vile wana mavazi yao, hawana mambo ya kubulibuli watu kama unapata USA ama wapi na wapi.
Oh, I never knew that Jamaicans don't bully people. Let me know in the comment section if you watch from Jamaica, if it's true. So thank you so much for your time. I'm Claudia Walks on YouTube.
Me too.
Oh, thank you. Hi, how are you?
Nzuri.
Uko salama? Unajua hii country inaitwa Jamaica?
Nini hiyo?
Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Eh.
Mimi sio.
Oh, sawa sawa. Ni Claudia Works pale kwa YouTube. You wanna say hi? Oh, sawa sawa. So guys, let's keep on working as we interact with more people, guys. You know, this street is about learning, educating each other. Yeah. Guys. Oh, I'm feeling nice being with this street. I can't do like this because of sawa sawa. Hey, how are you? Wow. Where are you going now? Where are you going? Where are you going? You don't want to take a selfie with celeb like me? Come I ask you a question. So guys, I'm feeling so good to be in this beautiful street of Sicily. The place looks so nice. Oh, sorry. Oh, how are you?
I'm fine.
What comes to your mind when you hear the word Jamaica? Something nini unajua kuhusu Jamaica? Okay, sawa sawa. Oh, he is busy, he's driving. So guys, let's keep on walking around and interact with more people. Hey bro. Oh, come say hi. What's your name?
Sami.
Sami. Sami, what come to? Come, Sami, I ask you. Yes, nataka kupiga watu picha. Unataka kuzipiga? Nikupeleke moja kwa moja kwa YouTube channel ya Claudia. Alafu tukue marafiki.
Sitalipwa.
That guy needs to be. Oh, it's for YouTube. You wanna say hi? Yes. Say hi to my fans. Say hi.
Say hi.
Okay, what comes to your mind when you hear the word Jamaica?
Jamaica.
Eh.
Oh.
Jamaica, nini unajua kuhusu Jamaica?
Shada.
Sada.
Bro, nini unajua kuhusu Jamaica? What comes to your mind when you hear the word Jamaica?
Bro, Jamaica sijui.
Hujui? Lakini
Labda utuambie.
Banki? Jamaican ladies are so beautiful.
Like
it's a
you.
nice country.
Like you.
Oh, like me.
You are beautiful.
Thank you. Imagine taweka kwa YouTube yangu ya Claudia Works.
Why?
Si ujionange hapo tufurahie.
Hapana.
Ujiona hapo. Si nitakuwa na wewe. Hata wacha uone nikichukua picha na wewe. Hi. Sawa sawa. Aya, poa, asante. Wanna say hi? Come say hi to my fans. Come say hi to my fans. I'm Claudia Works on YouTube. Niko na nini hapa? Kwa nini sasa? Safarini sasa? Na vile mnakaa vizuri.
Umechaje?
Sinajua mnakaa vizuri. Nimewaona. So, what comes to your mind when you hear the word Jamaica? Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Yes, Jamaica.
Jamaica si ni country.
Yeah, country. Yeah.
Jamaica. Jamaica ni Bob Marley.
Yeah, Bob Marley. Yeah, this guy knows about Bob Marley. Man, Bob Marley, hi. Nini ingine unajua kuhusu Jamaica? Why are you running to and I'm here with you? Oh, waambie wa subscribe to Claudia Works.
Subscribe, like everything. Share.
Comment. Comment, man.
See you.
Bye.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, guys. Claudia Works. Hi, bro. You good? You wanna say hi to me? You wanna say hi to me? Hi. Fiti, bro. How are you?
Fine.
I'm Claudia Works pale kwa YouTube, eh? Sini wa join. Hi. How are you? You're good. Let me quick. Say hi to my fans. Say hi to my fans.
Hi.
Hi. What are you doing here? Hey, you look good.
Thank you.
Yeah?
What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to do vlogs. I'm a content creator. Claudia Works pale kwa YouTube.
Okay.
Leo
What's your
naenda
name?
Claudia.
By the way, Claudia, you are looking beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes.
Are you married?
You married?
Huh? Claudia walks. Say hi. How are you? What comes into your mind when you hear the word Jamaica?
Jamaica.
Jamaica, man!
I feel so high there.
That guy's feeling high. So, bro, what comes to your mind when you hear the word Jamaica?
Feeling fine.
You're feeling fine. Yes.
What about Cartel?
Vibes Cartel, man.
Cartel?
Yes.
Is he back?
I don't think whether he is back. If you're watching from Jamaica, make sure you comment down below. Let us know if Vibes Cartel is free, man. What else do you know about Jamaica? Oh, Tanyaka is Africa.
Yeah. Nothing else.
About ladies, man. Okay, bro.
Yes.
What comes into your mind when you hear the word Jamaica?
First of all, I know it's a place of peace.
Oh, place of peace.
Yeah. Again, it's a place where if you need weed, it's the place that you can get weed in a easiest way.
In the easiest way.
Yeah.
In Africa, in Kenya, do we have weed?
But you know, it's not legal, but they are.
They have. So, talk about Jamaican ladies.
Jamaica ladies, all I know about them is that they used to be peaceful people. They're lovely. Yeah.
They used to be. It's like nowadays they are not.
Oh, they used to be.
They used
but
to be.
nowadays, there are those calling themselves Jamaica lady, but they don't have that behavior of the old people.
What?
Yeah.
So if you're a lady watching from Jamaica, let us know if it's true about this,
Yeah.
Okay, can you tell my fans something?
Your fans, what I can tell them?
Because my fans are whole, I think like half of them are coming from Jamaica.
From Jamaica?
Yes.
Okay, all I can tell them is that we welcome them here in Kenya. So first of all, they have shown us a good example through you. Because you are very much happy. So we will pray that they should come, many of them as possible.
Okay, make sure you visit this country. It's beautiful. We love visitors. Yeah. Bro, you want to say hi?
Hi.
How are you?
Hello.
What comes to your mind when you hear the word Jamaica?
Jamaica?
Yes.
No Bangara.
What is that now? What is that now?
No Bangara.
Hey.
No stress.
No stress.
Stress free.
Stress-free country.
Yeah.
Nini ingine?
Love, peace, irony.
Can you sing for us one reggae song? I know most people know about Jamaica or reggae music. Can you sing for us?
Only one love.
One love. Can we? Can we?
One love.
Oh, one. Yeah.
Let's get together and feel right.
Oh, tena tuambie tena. Tena. Kuna mtu anamesikia sauti yako ni mzuri pale. Anataka uirudie tena. We start.
One love.
Yes, ongeza sauti.
One heart. Let's get together and
Oh, nice one from
Jamaica.
Oh, tell them something.
Holy More. From Kenya. Kenya no Bangara. Love.
Love,
Irony.
one love, man. We love you, Team Claudia, from here in Uptown Street. Actually, I'm coming in the best of the best street here in Isili. Peaceful
In
Street.
Jamaica, do you have Jabba? Jabbaration. In Kenya, we love Jabba. We have Jabba people. Good meditation. Even the crazy man is Jabba.
Jabba.
Scale goes down.
Talking of Vibes Cartel, can you sing for us one music?
Okay, I'm not tired.
You don't have one Jamaican song?
Jamaican song.
Yes.
But I don't have a good voice on sing.
Oh, I will assist you. Even me, I don't have a good voice, but I will assist you.
You will assist me to sing?
Yes.
Together?
Raise one.
That's nice.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
And you don't give a fuck.
Can we sing?
One Jamaica song.
Yes. Being
Any
in the
of
reggae.
them?
Yes, any of them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, It's come out of my mind now.
Really? Even you can sing One Love Man for my Jamaican fans. Yes.
So now, okay, let me sing for them the song of Lucky Dube.
Lucky Dube. Yeah, you can sing for them.
Yeah, which says, you can help me. Which says,
Inasemaje?
okay, inasema, it's out.
It's out, eh? Thank you so much for your time. I'm Claudia Works, pale kwa YouTube.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, what I've been waiting for. Look at this, man.
Hello.
One love, man. Yes. Yes.
Kenya boys.
Yes.
Kenyan girls.
Peace.
Love.
Oh.
Yeah.
Peace, man. I finally met the real Rastafarian, man. Are you a
Smoke weed.
Jamaican? Are you a
And I don't give
Jamaican?
a damn. And if you think that I should not smoke weed, fuck you. Fuck you.
Are you a Jamaican?
That's a Vibe Cartel song.
Oh, it's a Vibe Cartel song. Are you a Jamaican, man?
I'm a Kenyan, man.
You're a Kenyan. Oh, you look good with those. Even me, guys, even me. I'm trying, man. Okay, thank you so much for your time. Claudia Works, pale kwa YouTube, man. Aya, sawa sawa. Hi, bro. So, guys, let's keep on working. As we interact with more people. Say hi. Sawa. Ataki kuongea Masai. So, guys, I don't know if... Yes. I'm in the right direction, man. Hi, how are you? You look good. Come say hi to my fans. Okay. I'm Claudia Works. Pale kwa YouTube. What comes to your mind when you hear the word Jamaica?
Jamaica?
Yes.
Mambo mbaya.
Come, tunataka hiyo mambo mbaya, man. Tunataka hiyo mambo mbaya. Kuja uangalie. Mambo mbaya kama gani? We want just to know.
Ni wasema weed.
Weed is not a bad thing in Jamaica. Claudia Works.
Legalize.
Nini ingine unajua kuhusu Jamaica? And you look beautiful.
The ladies.
The ladies. Oh, talk about Jamaican ladies, man.
Sawa.
What is this?
This is YouTube channel. We are live, man.
YouTube channel.
Yes. You wanna say hi?
Hi.
You know, you were talking of Jamaican ladies of talking. Can you talk for us?
Oh, no.
Why?
Jamaican
Okay,
white.
sawa. Thank you so much for your time. I'm Claudia Works on YouTube. Thank you.
Oh, no. I'm a Gideon Boot.
You are Gideon what? What comes to your mind when you hear the word Jamaica?
Nimetoka kwetu nisidanganye. I'm a rapper.
You are a rapper? Oh, guys, this guy is a rapper. Can you... Una production. I'm here to support you. What comes to your mind when you hear the word Jamaica?
I love the Gideon Boot, man.
Oh, can you sing for us?
Yeah. Oh, no. I can put Gideon Boot and talking suit.
Okay.
Yeah, because I'm a rapper.
You are a rapper.
Rap. I know. Now I said right.
Oh.
But I love Kikuyu music.
You love Kikuyu music? Oh, but hapa watu wanaongea Kiingereza. Sawa.
Nauzanga makarenda.
Wacha nipige maraundi then nikuje, bro.
Yeah.
Power. Walk one man, one love from Jamaica. Baby, bro. I'm Claudia Works pale kwa YouTube. I'm in this beautiful street of Italy. And on today's question, what comes to your mind when you hear the word Jamaica?
Sister.
Yes, bro.
Utatoa ya machi kweli.
Ya macho tuna have fun, man. Utacheka tu na usmile. Hata siku zako ziongezeke, man. Tutacheka. Guys, this guy wants a hug from Claudia. Should I hug him? What comes to your mind when you hear the word Jamaica?
kama mimi ni Mswahili sana.
Nini unajua kuhusu nini nakukujanga kwa akili yako ukisikia the word Jamaica?
Akili yangu mimi inanikujanga sana. Wakati tukidate na mpenzi wangu vizuri, nasikia poa, hakuna kitu kingine.
Oh, ndio unasikianga vizuri?
Nasikianga vizuri.
So unataka kudate from Jamaica?
Mimi nataka kudate wazungu saa hii juu nimeona nimesiwa na watu wa Afrika.
Unatiwa
mwenyewe hana maziwa. Na ni watu wanakuletea ngori mingi.
Guys, if you are watching from Jamaica, this guy wants a lady from Jamaica, a beautiful one, man. Even though you are beautiful, you are watching from Jamaica, comment down below. Ambia mafansi wangu kitu.
Tulia.
Ambia mafansi wangu.
Nafaa niwaambie kitu wakati umenifanyia kitu hapa nikiona nimeshika kitu.
Sikia sasa, tunaona hakuna kitu bro. Sawa sawa, nini nakukujanga kwa akili yako ukisikia Jamaica? Uji Jamaica? Hata weed? Haya, sawa sawa. Thank you so much. I'm Claudia Works pale kwa YouTube.
Ndio tuambia majina yako.
Ndio nataka kujiintroduce. Claudia Works. Claudia Works pale kwa YouTube. Hi mzee.
Yes.
Vipi?
Poa.
Nini nakukujanga kwa akili yako ukisikia the word Jamaica?
Jamaica. Sasa nikwambie nini?
Kuna dawa ya homa.
Anything man.
Jamaica.
Hi bro. Yeah.
Jamaica.
Talk and think about Jamaica. You know about Jamaica?
Jamaica is not bad thing. It's a good things that I know.
You know what good things you know about Jamaica?
Jamaica.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much for your time. I'm Claudia Works on YouTube.
Good.
Hi. So guys, I'm coming live from these beautiful streets. Guys, this is BBS Mall. You know, BBS Mall is one of the largest malls here in Africa. So guys, let's keep on working. We interact with people. And guys, I just want to go onto the other side because I can see some security, some what do you call them? Police officers. I don't know, police officers, security people there. And I don't want to get myself into mess because I'm happy. Guys, look at this beautiful place, man. So, sorry for that. Too much fun, guys. Now let's go. We are going to this route. This one, I don't know whether it's the right one because I can see a lot of vehicles. And because of the love I have for myself and you too, I have to wait and then cross. It's okay. So let's keep on working. I'm Kuba. Thank you. Huh? Thank you so much. I've seen you. You are doing a good job. So guys, let's keep on working. That's a police officer who's trying to greet me, man. Guys, hey, you know what? This is the kind of life, bro. This is the kind of love I'm getting. People are just saying hi. And this is the first time I'm here in this beautiful street. And it's like, people love this area because of this mall. You see this biggest mall here? I don't know whether you can see it well because of the sun rays. Hi. Oh, let me turn my camera. So guys, let's keep on working. I know you are enjoying this vlog, and if you have not subscribed to Claudia Works, and if you have not subscribed to Claudia Works YouTube channel, you can subscribe. Let's take this girl to 5,000 subscribers by the end of this month. And guys, for those who were complaining about my voice, let me know if I'm audible enough. Just comment down below about the quality of the sound, because 2 or 3 people have been complaining they can't hear me well. But because of the love I have for you. Oh, say hi. And because of the love I have for you guys, I had to get this small mic, which is is it portable? I don't know the correct term to use, but I think I'm okay. Remember, I'm in the uptown street of Isili. The streets look so beautiful. And bear in mind that this street is not that congested like the other streets I've been into. It's not that congested. And I love everything. Mko fiti, mko salama. Munajiita nani hapa? Guys. Oh, top class modern fantas, guys. If you want to get fantas from this beautiful street, obviously make sure you visit this place. They have got what are you doing, man? What is this?
This is painting.
Paint?
This is paint.
Paint.
Yeah, this is the
So you want to paint the, what do you want to
It's only
paint?
just to make a decoration.
Oh, it's used for decoration.
Yeah,
So I'm Claudia works on YouTube. And what comes into your mind when you hear the word Jamaica?
the process, many people they just meet with they just worship in one thing, that is Jah.
Ja. Hey guys, if you're watching from Jamaica, let me know if this is true. Anything else you know about Jamaica?
Jamaica is the where the people they just make know each other. They are the best.
Do you know musician from Jamaica?
Yeah,
Kama nani? Tupatie tu mmoja.
like Dube.
Lucky Dube. Tundie ka song moja kake.
Together let's one.
Oh, we go together nitakuwa assist eh? Tutakusaidia twimbe. Sing for my fans. Hata utawaambia wasikie vizuri wakuje wakufurahie hizi vitu. Yes, let's go.
So this is together.
Oh.
Like that, I don't know
Like
why.
that.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for your time. Tell my fans something.
I am just telling that if they need furniture, they can just come to the top class modern furniture because they are the best place, the best place.
Located where?
It's located at E3 opposite BBS Mall. Yeah.
So guys, I think I'll create time because my battery is going off. So I will create time, and guys, I will let you. We will enter inside and explore this beautiful place. We see what they have and their prices too. I know your prices are affordable.
Affordable.
Yeah.
If you live here in the top class modern furniture, we just give you the quality and the best things.
Thank you so much for your time, Claudia. What's funny for you too? Okay, guys, let's keep on walking. Mimi sinasi watu bro. Uko fiti? Usisalimie kidogo tu. Mimi naitwa Claudia Works pale kwa YouTube, man. Mimi najuanga kuhusu Jamaica. Ama nini nakujanga ukisikia the word Jamaica?
Mimi nakupenda kama samaki.
Oh, unanipenda kama nini?
Kama samaki wallahi.
This guy loves me like a fish.
Nakupenda kama samaki.
Unanipenda kama samaki? Haya, sawa sawa. Basi pia mimi nakupenda. Haya, sawa sawa, guys. This is the beautiful uptown of Isili. You can see from the view how it looks like. It's amazing place. We have a beautiful flat over there, apartment, and we have the roads are clean. We have this beautiful BBS Mall, which start from that side to go all the way up to this side. And unataka kuchukuliwa? And I know people because of these beautiful roads, because of this BBS Mall, because of the beautiful apartment, that's why these people stay here and they love Isili as I love it too. Hi, you're good. You wanna say hi to my fans? No. It's okay, bro. No problem. So guys, the reason why I personally greeting these guys because this is my first time being on this street, and being the first time, guys, I have to show them some love. Fiti. I have to show. Bro, vipi? Kwa fiti. Unafanya nini hapa Isili? Na job. So guys, if you come to the uptown of Isili, make sure you promote this guy. I think when you are here, you are safe. Watu kuja huko wanakuwa safe. Utaki hiyo kitu? Haya, sawa sawa. Hata utaki nikikwambia wakuja wabebe. Guys, it's like people from this side not about social media because he's I don't know what to say, man. Yes, and I have arrived.
Hello.
Oh, sorry, bro. And I've arrived into this. This is the end of the BBS Mall, guys. We have another street goes like that, but I cannot risk because this is the first time being here. I don't have anyone to guide me on this street. I'm just alone, risking because of you guys. And sorry, you can pass. And because of my security, I have to respect that. Not about respecting, but guys, I don't want to put myself into problems, because this is my first time being here. And yes. Hi. Oh, unakaa vizuri. Unakaa vizuri. Unakaa vizuri. You look good. You wanna say hi to my fans? Say hi. I'm Claudia Works.
Poa. Yeah. Wanadai aje?
Wanadai kujua. What comes into your mind when you hear the word Jamaica?
Ati?
What comes into your mind when you hear the word Jamaica?
Ati what do you hear the word Jamaica?
Ukisikia Jamaica unasikianga nini?
Sasa, it's in the country.
Yes, ni country, but what do you know about your country?
About labda Jamaica, ukisikia Jamaica lazima ufikirie hao.
Oh, you have to think about what? Wait.
Yeah?
Wait.
Country.
Oh, okay. Apart from that, what else do you know about Jamaica? Talking of Jamaican ladies.
They are peaceful because, you know. Hello? Yeah. Wait.
Okay. I'm waiting.
34, about 4, Washiro. Yeah. Nipelekea nani?
Guys, look at this place, how beautiful. Guys, look at how beautiful this is, man. Coming live from this beautiful city of City, man. What are you doing, man? Coming live from this beautiful city. Listen, talk about Jamaican girls.
Siwezi ongea kuhusu.
Aya, sawa sawa. I'm Claudia Works pale kwa YouTube.
Silei sana unaongelea nini?
Naongelelea kuhusu Jamaica. Yes. Tunataka kujua kama Wakenya, Africans wanajua Jamaica.
Jamaica si kule wanajua they are peaceful people. Jaisikia vita kwao. Na ile mambo wanafanya yao. Ambayo tunakataza.
Haya, sawa. I hope you are watching this. Let me know if Kenyan people, African people should be given that chance to use. Hello. So guys, I think I should end my video here. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe. And guys, see you in the next one. Bye bye.